video, I guess. Got to head to my brother's shop. He's got some new tires for my truck and just to hang out, but we're gonna do some hypermiling, if you can call it that, with the big 460. See what kind of numbers we can get out of it. I haven't done any math yet, but there's definitely improvement. So, see you at the gas pump. All right. After pre-paint at the pump, we have to do that now. Get the gas in her. She's a twin tanker. It is friggin' noisy. They're working on the bridge. So, we'll top off both tanks. We're on the front tank now. Reset to 0. See what happens. And I plugged both batteries in, but this one did not charge at all last night, so hopefully I get enough battery for the day. Go figure. Flabbergasted. Absolutely flabbergasted. We've got 57.2 miles on the trip. Not making this up. And 3.4 gallons. Did the math. 16.8 miles a gallon. 16.8 miles per gallon. Little background. This thing would dip as low as 5 or 6 in town working it. And the best I squeaked out of it, I'm talking the best, was 11.9 maybe. I did hypermile, I guess. Kept shift points low. Didn't speed, didn't pass anybody, which was really hard for me to do. So, color me impressed. 16.8. I was putting gas back in it and it clicked off right away. I double clicked it. It's full. Wow. Reset the trip. All right. So, I wanted to get some big tires on this big truck because I can afford to do those things if I'm getting 16.8 miles a gallon. But I tell you what, driving it like that was hard. So, now we're just going to drive it normal. Mind you, it's empty. You know, there's not hauling nothing, but I bet even hauling, you're still going to get double digits, no problem. Get this thing zinging down the highway. That was a 57-mile trip, but I think if you just kept her going, it might creep up, probably hit solid 17. So, unbelievable. Unbelievable. 460EFIguys.com.